Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
When the Ubhu demigods attacked the ghosts and Guhyakas with half-burned fuel from the Yagya fire, all these attendants of Sati fled in different directions and disappeared. This was possible simply because of Brahm Tejas, Brahminical power. The word Brahm Tejas used in this verse is significant. In those days, Brahmins were so powerful that simply by desiring and by chanting a Vedic mantra, they could accomplish very wonderful effects. But in the present age of degradation, there are no such brahmanas. According to the Pancharatrika system, in this age the entire population is supposed to consist of Shudras because the Brahminical culture has been lost. But if anyone displays the signs of understanding Krishna consciousness, he should be accepted, according to Vaishnava Smriti regulations, as a prospective brahmana and should be given all facilities to achieve the highest perfection. The most magnanimous gift of Lord Caitanya is that the highest perfection of life is available in this fallen age if one simply adopts the process of chanting Hare Krishna, which is able to bring about the fulfillment of all activities in self-realization.